Hi, today we'll show you how LiteSync fills the row ID field of new inserted rows. Normal SQLite fills this field with sequential integer numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. But it does not occur the same way with LiteSync. So we will open here a primary node on a Linux box binding to this TCP address, and then we'll have here two secondary nodes connected to that. Here now I'll check the synchronization status. We have the primary node here, and I have these two secondary nodes, 2 and 3. So here is the node 1, here is node 2, here is node 3, and you can check here by running this command with this node 2 and this is node 3. Okay, now let's create a table and make some insertions. I will create this table here. Okay, the table was created and the primary node is already appearing in these two secondary nodes. Now I will make some insertions. So in the secondary node that has node ID equals 3, I will insert a row that we'll call it first. Then I will do the same here, and then the second added, and then I will add another one here. That will be the third one. Okay, now let's list these rows. What do you have here? Third, second, and first in this order. Why does this happen? Well, I'm not showing the row ID. The row ID is what's making the rows appear in this order. LiteSync uses a 64-bit integer as the row ID, as well as SQLite, but it uses the first 32 bits to store the node ID and the least significant 32 bits to store the sequential number. So here, if we show this row ID in hexadecimal format, it will reveal that this first row was inserted by the node ID number 1, this second row was inserted by row ID number 2, and this third row was inserted by this node ID. So if we insert new rows, let's insert another one here. It will appear here at this position, and all the rows that are inserted by the primary row will always appear here before all the records from the secondary node, and this will come before all the records inserted from the secondary node with node ID number 3 and node ID number 4, node ID number 5, and so on. This technique avoids a collision on row IDs, mainly when these nodes are offline, when records are inserted on bus or many nodes, and when they get online again, there will be no collision because each insertion made on each of those nodes used unique row IDs. If you want to sort the rows in another way, you can use another field and fill it with a date time of creation for each row, and then use the order by clause. If you have any question, please contact us via email or via our online forum. Thanks.